guys, it's Becca, and here's Corey. Who's my cat? Oh, yeah, this is her cat.
If you're allergic, look at it. It's gonna sneeze all over you. Sorry. Oh, my dad's gonna be home in like 5 minutes.
What?
My dad's gonna be home in like 5 minutes. So we need to go.
Bye. Ew.
That was pretty gross.
It was. Dude, ew! Gross! She's really doing. I'm so mad right now.
It's like not there anymore.
It's on me now.
I love you.
Ew! Oh, now it's in my hair. Hey, we should dance now and then we should go. Hey, no, Corey, please. Corey, please. Stop it! Okay, that was dance.
We gotta find some music first.
Okay. Oh, I stopped.
What did?
Yes, it did.
No, I
Oh, no,
didn't.
it didn't. Oh, yeah, we're still here. Okay. Can you turn up the music, guys?
I can.
Hey, Monday.
Maybe we should do a different one.
No, that's right. No, let's do that. Yeah. Okay, you guys ready?
You make me happy.
Whether you know it or not, we should be happy. That's what I said from the start. I'm so happy. Can I hear it? No.
No.
Oh. Okay, let's try that
You
again.
make me happy. Whether you know it or not, you should be happy.
What?
Okay. That's what I said from it.
Okay, bye guys.
I am so happy.
Bye. Okay, bye.